How to add music to videos in CapCut. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering how you can add music to videos in your CapCut, fear not, it is pretty simple. All you need is a CapCut application in your mobile device and just tap open. Now select a video from available in your gallery or that is in your draft or in your project. Now to add audio, at the bottom from this toolbar, navigate to the audio icon. From here, in order to add audio in your video, just click on the sounds option, from which you can select the in-app music as well. If not, and if you prefer to select audio that is already available in your device, just click on the folder icon, from which you'll be able to select an audio. Now, for an example, I'll be adding a music from the in-app music collection. In order to do so, you need to tap on the download icon firstly, then you will see the plus sign icon once the music is downloaded. Just click on the plus sign icon. After which, you can adjust the feed in, feed out of the music and also the duration of the music and the section from which you want the audio to start playing. And that is how you add music to videos in your CapCut. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.